What's up everybody, my name is Concise, and today I'm going to show you how to brighten your picture and add a light flare to it. So this is Snapseed, and I'm just going to tweak the brightness, draw the sliders backward and forward, or make the bright 32, and then just watch what I'm doing. Just tweak the picture to anyhow you want it. It's going to come out well, depends on how you tweak it. Just going to reduce the warm a little bit and to make the picture nice. I'll smoothen out the face. The portrait. Just gonna make the face smoother, so that's what I'm going to do. Settings, high clarity, then smoothing out the face. So hard before it's also have now. So I'm just going to export the image to picart. Now picart makes it easier to add a light flare to the image, so hence I'm doing this. So you just come to mask and then choose the type of mask you want. First of all, I'm going to go to multi. This is multi, then I'll choose the way I want it. I want it this way, so I'm just going to put something like this. Then the hue, take the opacity to 73 or thereabouts, and then just tweak the hue to be a color you want. I will just employ that, and then put this tickle light like this. I can just tweak it to how I want it and press OK. This is how it was before, this is how it is now. You just tweak it to just make something nice done, and then you can as well just save it, and this is all we have now. Then save, and this is it. So that being said, I think you've learned a new way to edit your pictures. This is Concise signing out. Bye bye.